Unit 10 on exponential applications. This is lesson 3. We're dealing with problems that involve doubling time over a certain period. This particular problem is from the January 2017 Regents, example number 2. A rabbit population doubles every 4 weeks. So that's the period of time we expect the population to double. There are currently 5 rabbits in the restricted area. T represents the time in weeks, and P of T is the population of rabbits with respect to time. About how many rabbits will there be in 98 days? So although you don't have to memorize this formula, it really is helpful to. You could figure it out, but it's probably faster just to memorize. So we want to find out the final amount that's equivalent to y or a. Lowercase a, or we can also use a sub 0, represents the original population, and we're starting off with 5 rabbits. We're doubling, that's why you have 2. And I'm going to just write the general equation first. So the time period is in weeks, and we're dividing it out over the number of weeks. That D represents how often the population doubles, and it's doubling every 4 weeks. Okay, so we specifically want to find out, so here's our general formula, but we want to find out the number of rabbits in 98 days. So since the other time period is in terms of weeks, we have to convert that 98 days to weeks. When we know there's 7 days in a week, so if I take 7 and go into 98, I get 14. So that's the input that we're going to use in the function. So we're going to take 2 raised to the 14 over 4. So we're going to enter the function. So 5 caret 2 caret, and then we're going to take 14 divided by 4 and hit enter. And we have to round, so if we look at our choices, you can't have a partial rabbit. So this was a little over 56. Let's see, it was 56.56. But we do have to round, and so we are going to round to the closest number of rabbits, which is 56.